Welcome to the Ultra Blue channel, your ultimate destination for tech tutorials and guides. Today, we will provide a comprehensive, step-by-step guide on how to enable Storage Sense to speed up your computer. This feature helps manage disk space automatically, ensuring your system runs smoothly and efficiently. Storage Sense is a built-in Windows feature that automatically frees up space on your hard drive by deleting unnecessary files, such as temporary files and items in your recycle bin. Enabling this feature can significantly improve your computer's performance. To access Storage Sense settings on Windows, open the Start menu and select Settings. Then, go to System and click on Storage. The storage settings, you'll find the Storage Sense option at the top. Click on Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. To enable Storage Sense, toggle the switch to On. Next, you can configure how Storage Sense works by selecting how often it runs, which files it deletes, and how frequently it cleans your recycle bin and downloads folder. For optimal performance, set Storage Sense to run every day and choose to delete temporary files that apps aren't using. You can also set it to delete files in your recycle bin and downloads folder that are older than 30 days. You can also run Storage Sense manually to free up space immediately. In the Storage Sense settings, scroll down and click Clean Now. This will start the process of cleaning up unnecessary files from your system. Enabling Storage Sense ensures that your computer regularly cleans up space, preventing it from becoming cluttered with unnecessary files. This can lead to faster system performance, quicker boot times, and improved overall efficiency. By keeping your hard drive free of junk files, Storage Sense helps your computer run more smoothly, which is especially beneficial for systems with limited storage space. Enabling Storage Sense is a simple yet effective way to speed up your computer and maintain optimal performance. Regularly check and adjust your Storage Sense settings to ensure your system stays clutter-free. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the Ultra Blue channel for more tech tutorials and guides. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.